Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hand doing the peace sign. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe, maybe share this video, all of that, any of that, it would be great. All right, so let's get started with our peace sign hand. I'm going to start with I'm going to start on the lower half of the page, and I'm going to do a line coming down right here. And now that's going to be this part of the hand. And I'm curving right here and coming on up a bit. And then we got a little line, a little bump here. We got a thumb happening. Come on down. Like that. So far it looks a little bit strange, but that's okay. And if you want, you can do like a little faint line for fingernails, but that's up to you. You don't have to. Okay, next let's do like this part, these fingers here. So I'm going to come on up from the thumb part and round that out and come on down here and curve on up, and we can do a little faint part of a nail here too. And now let's do the next finger. The next one is going to be a little bit lower down and round out right here. Come on up a bit. And we're going to come on out this way, slanting this way. Put a little line or two here. And then come on downward. And then inward. And let's see. Let's give this a bit more of a wrist here. Kind of attach an arm to it. Okay. And let's do a little faint part here for a nail. And I gotta keep looking at mine. So we can do a few more lines in here if we want. And maybe even one there and one there. And now let's do those two big, these fingers. All right. The bunny ears, I guess. Come on up and round it out. Come on downward, but don't come all the way downward. We're going to do a little rounded V shape here, and do that other finger, round that out, and come on down. Alrighty. So now I'm going to do like a little line here, and we can do a few more little wrist lines if you want, but you don't have to. It's all up to you. But I'm done my sketch now. I've got my peace sign hand all done, and now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!